Hello everyone, welcome to A.A.Gobirawa Science Academy. Our course for today's discussion is mathematics and our first topic is indices. Inshallah, we will discuss each concept step by step to make everything easy to understand. And remember, at A.A.Gobirawa Science Academy, we will explain some part of the lesson in Hausa to make the lesson easier for everyone to understand. So let's get started. We see our lesson today, our topic today is indices. Our topic today is indices. So inshallah we will discuss each concept of indices step by step. So when we say indices, it's the plural of index. So misali, if we have A power 2. Here is our index, and here is our base. So indices is referring as combination of index and base. So different index and different base is what we call indices. So in this case, we will discuss each concept one by one. So in indices, we have 7 different types of indices. So inshallah, we will take them one by one and solve some examples. So let's start with multiplication. So number 1, we have multiplication. We have multiplication law. In this law, it is stated that if we have a power m multiplied by a power n is equal to a power n plus n. In this case, idan kana da question ya zuma as AA, this is our base, this is our base, this is our index O power, this is our index O power. So za ka ɗauki one base ka yi adding powers ɗinka, shi allo na multiplication law. Idan ya zo ya ce za ka ɗauki base guda sai ka yi adding powers. In kana da different bases za ka ɗauke su sannan kowace ka haɗa ta da power a wata. Misali, for example, if we have a power m multiplied by b power n multiplied by c power O multiplied by a power z. So in this case, we have 3 different bases. So we have 2 different bases. So we are going to say that if a power m plus z dot b power n dot c power O is equal to a power m plus z multiplied by b power n multiplied by c power O. This is multiplication. Amma me different bases. Mun gane ko? So let's get started. Let's solve some examples. So our formula say if we have 2 bases, take the one basis and add the powers. So for example, let us take example. We have example number 1. We have 2 power 3 multiplied by 4 power 2 is equal to, so in this case, we have our base here is A. So our base here is 2. So say mu ce, take the one basis and add the powers. Say mu ce 2 power 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 power 6. Then example number 2, we have 3 square multiplied by 3 power 3. So in this case, say mu ce, we have 2 different bases, this 3 and this 3. So say mu ce, take the one basis and add the powers. So say mu ce 3 power 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 power 5. Muna tare ko? So sai mu ce the next example number 3 is, sai mu ce we have 2 power x multiplied by 2 power 3, so it's equal to, so here we have two different bases. So sai mu ce we have 2 power x plus 3 should in case kaga x din is this ko, so wannan shi ake kira da multiplication law. Multiplication law, multiplying by a power n is equal to a power n plus n. Yanzu in multiplication law ko da yaushe za mu ringa amfani da formula mu. Ga da formula ta ce ka ɗauki one base ka yi adding powers. Muna tare? To sai mu to mu ce to number 2 we have division law. We have division law. So in division law, it's the law states that a power m divided both sides by a power n is equal to a power n divided both sides by a power n is equal to a power n minus n. Wannan law na division law shi haka ya ce, ko da shi in abai tuma da division, so zai zama negative because of this half. Ko ba haka ba, inda division yake mu kula, in mun ce 3 divided both sides, a power 3 divided both sides by a power 1 zai zama, this is a power 3 minus 1. Mun gane ko? So let's take some examples. So in division law, we have example 1, we have 5 power 3 divided by side by 5 square. Sai mu ce is equal to, so our 5 power 3 divided by side by 5 square is equal to, so sai mu ɗauki one base ɗinmu mai adding powers ɗinmu. So we have 5 power 3 minus 2 is equal to 5 power 1. Then example number 2. We have 3 power 3 divided both sides by 3 power 1. So in this case, sai mu ce we have 3 power 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 square. Kun gane ko? Abinda annan in division law, ko da yaushe idan an ka baka number, in base ɗinta the same base na tattaho maka ko, to abinda za ka yi kawai za ka ce mu ɗauki one base ɗin mu sai mu yi adding powers ɗin law ne na division law kamar yadda law ɗin ya ci. Sai mu to mu ce to 3 power 3 divided both sides by 3 power 1. So mun san here 3, sai mu ce subtract this power. Our power of 3 here is 1, sai mu ce 3 minus 1. Mun gane ko? So sai mu ce example number 3. Example number 3. We have number 3. We have 5 power x divided both sides by 5 square is equal to what? Sai mu ce, so here sai mu gyara shi mu ce 5 power x divided both sides by 5 square. Sai mu ɗauki one base ɗinmu, sai mu ce 5 power x minus 2 shi kenan. Abin da ya sa kun kaga wannan x ɗin akwai examples ɗin da za mu cimma za su ɗan rudu haka. amma yanzu in ka fahimci concept din insha Allah ba abin da zai tada ma hankali. Mun fahimci abin da aka ni da division law ko, so let's move to nan wurin na isan mu. So our next is zero's law. So when we say zero's law, number 3 go, zero law. This law, it is stated that anything power 0 is 1. If we have a power m minus m is equal to a power m minus m is 0. So anything power 0 is 1. Remember, but if we have 7 plus 2 power 1 power 0, is equal to 7 power 0 plus 2 power 0. So in this case, because of this addition, zai zama muna sai mu bude bracket din mu ko zai zama 7 power 0 plus 2 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 power 0 is 1 is equal to 2. Kun ga wanga yana da bambanci da wannan ko? Wanga shi a formula, amma if it is maybe addition or subtraction, abin na iya canzawa. Saboda wannan mun ga bracket ne, so shi yasa, amma kuma at the end in mun ka bude bracket din mu duk abin da mun ka ce power 0 zai zama muna is equal to 1. I hope mun fahimta. So then our next is power law, number 4. Power law. In this case, power law, it is stated that a power m, comma, power n is equal to a power n multiplied by n. Muna da tare ko? Abinda annan shi power law yana magana, kun ga a din nan tana da power, sannan gaba ɗaya close bracket power n. So dama power law shi abinda yake magana product of power kenan ko? So sai mu ce a is equal to a, this is our m multiplied by n, that is the product power law kenan. Then sai mu to mu ce, let us take example number 1. We have 2 power 3 comma power 2 is equal to, by using this formula, we have 2 power 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 power 6. Mun gane ko? Sai mu ta example number 2. So if we have 3x power 2, by using this formula, is equal to 3 power x multiplied by 2 is equal to what? 3 power 2x. Mun gane ko? Wannan shi aka ni da power law. So sai mu ta yi next, which is product power law. Number 5. We have product power law. In product power law, we have AB power n. The sentence as A power n dot B power n. This is the formula of our product law. Muna tare sai mu to mu ce kuma yana question na ya to muna haka A over B power n the same thing as a power n divided both side by b power n. Mun gane ko? So bari mu ɗauki examples. Example number 1. We have 23 power 2. So here, this is multiplication. Ko ba haka ba? This is a product law. So by using this formula, we say if the formula if formula in a dot b power n is equal to a power n dot b power n. So this is our a here is 2 power 2 multiplied by 3 power 2. 3 power 2 is equal to 2 power 2 is 4, then multiply by 3 squared is 9. Ko ba haka ba? Then 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. Then example number 2. We have 2 times 5 power 3. So mu kula ko a question na ya to mana. Kaga yanzu haka ya to mana 23 kuma haka ya to mana 2 times 5 ko ba haka ba. So mun san here kenan is product. Ana magana product power law. Ba wai mu ce ila 50 square ba haka. Mun gane ku nan ana magana indices na. Ko da yaushe yan question ya tona indices zaka da an baka shi an ce simplify this. Ko ba haka ba to sai mu simplify din wannan. Sai mu to mu ce so is equal to 2 power 3 multiplied by 5 power 3 is equal to 2 power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 for 4 times 2 8 is 8 times 5 power 3 is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5, which is 25 times 5, 125. 125. 125. So 8 times 125 is 1000. It's 1000. This is our what? Product power law. Then our next example is negative index. Number 6. Negative index. Negative index. So negative index, it is stated that a power negative m is equal to 1 all over a power n. Muna tare ko? Because in mun kaga abu ya to da negative haka ko, it is mean is equal to this sign is referring as 1 all over. Then a power n din mu gashi nan. Dama mun ga sign din shi ya canza komi. Wannan negative sign din shi ya canza komi. Kamar yanzu an baka 1 all over a power n. So in ka ce kai simplify din wanga, wanga mai reciprocal din ya dawo sama zai zama a negative n. Muna tare to shi na akali. Wannan formula ita muka amfani da ita wurin solving din negative index. So let us take example. We have example number 1. We have 2 power negative 2 is equal to 1 all over 2 squares is equal to 1 all over 4. Then example number 2, we have 2 negative 3 is equal to 1 all over 2 power 3 is equal to 1 all over 2 power 3 is 1 all over x. Muna tare ko? because 2 power 3, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So this is our what? Negative index. So the last one is fractional index. The last one is number 7 is fractional index. So in fractional index we have a power n all over n is equal to n cube root of a power m. Wannan shi at fractional index ɗinmu. Me yasa zama fractional index ɗinmu? Here muna da m all over n. Kaga fraction ya riga ya shigo ko? To sai mu ce formula mu sai mu buɗe wagga n ga ta nan ko ba haka ba, m ɗinmu ga ta nan dama power ta. Dan cube root ɗinmu wannan abin shi root ɗinmu kamar mu ce 2 power 1 over 2. Kaga the same thing as root of 2 kenan ko? Haka nan na tun da wagga 2 mun san ita out root, then 1 all over gashi. Mun fahimta? Sai mu ce let us take example. Example number 1. We have 9 power 3 all over 2 is equal to, by using this formula, our 2 here is n. Ko ba haka ba? Our 2 is n. So sai mu ce we have 2 cube root of 9, comma, power 3. Muna tare? Muna tare ko? Yanzu 3 over 2 ɗinmu, yanzu kamar in muka ce a, kamar mai haka, a power 3 all over 2, the same thing as 2 cube root of what? A power 3. Ko da yaushe wagga 3 ɗinmu tana matsayin power. Ga ta nan mun jissuwa ko? Wagga 2 ɗinmu dama root 2 ga yana mun, then say 9. So here abinda aka son mu samu sai mu ce 2, therefore 2 cube root of 9 is equal to yanzu muna son mu samu number da mun kai multiply ɗinta so biyu za ta ba mu 9. Sai mu ce that is, we are going to look for what? 2 cube root of 9. So 2 cube root of 9 is equal to 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Ko ba haka ba? Sai mu to mu ce, so from here sai mu ce tun daga 2 cube root of 9 ɗin mu mun samu ko, sai mu ɗebe shi sai mu sa 3. So we have 3 power what? 3 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 is equal to 27. Then this is our final answer, 27. This is our final answer, 27. Ko ba haka ba? Because 2 cube root of 9 ɗinmu is 3. So tun da 2 cube root of 9 ɗinmu is 3, therefore sai mu ɗebe wanga 2 cube root of 9 ɗin sai mu yi substituting ɗin 3 ɗinmu. Tun da mun san muka ce 3 times 3 zai ba mu 9. So sai mu sashi. Kaga mun sashi 3 power 3 ko? To sai mu samu shi kuma power 3 ɗinmu. 3 times 3 times 3, 27. I hope kun gane. So let us take example number 2. Example number 2. We have 81 power 3 all over 4. 81 power 3 all over 4 is equal to 4 cube root of 81 power what? 3. So sai mu mu samu 4 cube root of 81. Yanzu we are looking for we are looking for 4 cube root of 81. Wacce number ta wadda in mun ka yi multiplying ɗinta so 4 za ta ba mu 81. Yanzu ita muka rida. Number da in mun ka yi multiplying ɗinta so 4 za ta ba mu 81. So we are looking for what? 4 cube root of what? 81 is equal to. Yan mun kai multiply into so za ta ba mu 81. So we have 3. Ko ba haka ba. Therefore from here sai mu yi substitute the value of 3 into this. Then we remove this 4 cube root of 81 tunda mun samu shi is 3. Therefore sai mu ce 3 power 3 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3 is 27. It's equal to 27. This is our final answer. It's 27. So akwai mai tambaya? In kana da tambaya, so ka rubuta mana ita a comment section ka aji. Insha Allah, in the next class za mu yi answering ɗin tambayoyinku. Ko wani irin question gare ka, either why question ko new ko jam questions. So this is the end of today's class. Don't forget to follow our page on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok at A.A.Gobirawa Science Academy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Wassalamu alaikum.